Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Main Street, Port Maria, towards Tucker Circle. On the right is the Port Maria Courthouse, same as the St. Mary Parish Court. The road to the right is Kirk Street. Entering Tucker Circle. Here is the Padje Fishing Village. To the left is Padje Beach, and just beyond is Cabarita Island. The road straight ahead is Padje Road, and that road will take you onto Padje Beach. On the left is the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries Division, Padje Beach Substation. The road on the left is Spicer Drive. Tucker Circle ends, and just ahead is the Port Maria to Islington Road. Going right will take you into Port Maria town, and going left will take you to Islington. On the left is Clemetso Park. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.